Welcome to 31 Troutman Street in Brooklyn, where students can experience comfort, style, and campus proximity, all under one roof in this classy student abode. Pick your perfect fit from non-ensuite apartments and enjoy a comfy bed with clean sheets and fluffy pillows, a roomy closet, a cozy study space, and more. Talk about an ensemble of essentials. But wait, your perk pack includes more. Enjoy inclusive bills of electricity, water, heat, gas, and housekeeping to keep your stay seamless. There is an on-site laundry facility to tackle the week's pile, and a backyard to sip on the sun. This place has got you covered. Don't worry about being late to class. Pratt Institute and St. Joseph's University are located nearby for an easy commute. Also, bus stops like Myrtle Avenue and the subway at Myrtle Avenue are just around the corner, making your Big Apple expeditions fun and quick. So, visit amberstudent.com to lock in your home away from home at 31 Troutman Street in Brooklyn now.